So yeah, to finish this up, great job finding the midpoint, finding the means, the mean. That was right the way to do it. And then let's see, how the heck do I get a pointer here? I'm supposed to know how to do this. Here we go. So to get the mode, well, the mode is the number that occurs the most often in a data set, and in this case, because the first bin or the first class is 53 items in it, that's the one. The mode has to fall in that. If there is a mode, it's going to fall in that class. So since we've got this, we only know the estimate of the midpoints, so that's the one we're going to go with. So the mode for this data set is around 54.5, if there is one, right? We don't know without the actual data. And then to find the five number summary, you correctly did this part. You found, you did the percentile calculation, but then you didn't bring it back to the data. See, the frequencies aren't what we're working with. That's just the count. So the actual data is the midpoints we're going to use. So the 26th value would be in this first bin. So we're going to say Q1 is 54.5. The 51st value, which is the median, also is going to fall in that bin. So best we can do is see the median's also 54.5. And then, of course, the upper quartile is the 75th or 76th value, which falls in the second bin. So that makes Q3 64.5. Then to find the IQR, we subtract Q1 from Q3 and we get 10. Okay, so that's how that all works. I mean, if we were going to do the standard deviation, we'd take our mean and we'd take away that mean away from each one of the midpoint values. We'd square them. We'd multiply each of those squared values by the frequency. We'd add up all those 101 squared differences, divide them by 100 because it's n minus 1, then take the square root. All right, so that's how you get that. It's an estimate. I don't know how. Certainly, this is a skewed distribution. So looking at your bar graphs, we wouldn't be using the mean and the standard deviation per se, anyways, to describe it. So I'll say this again on this video. When you're talking about a skewed distribution, as this is, we want to use the median and the five number summary to describe the center and spread. If we had a symmetric distribution, we'd use the mean and the standard deviation. Okay, hope this helps.